I'm Blair Nicole, and we are sitting here with Dr. Doug. He's an award-winning author, radio show host, and a guerrilla marketing master. Dr. Doug is going to talk to us today about why he's excited for the Business Game Changer Success Without Limits event. Dr. Doug, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Fantastic. Tell us a little bit about how you got involved with this event and why you're excited.
You know, I got involved in this with Kerry White. He asked me to be part of his Speak Up group. And as we got more and more involved, and then we decided to have this particular one, I suggested that here was a topic that, if he was interested, this I think would be a good topic for the audience.
Absolutely. So you're one of the 8 speakers that are going to be presenting at the event. Tell us a little bit about your background and why people should listen to what you have to say.
Oh, that's a tough question. I would say my background real quick is I'm actually a retired dentist. I sold my practice back in 1996.
Oh, okay.
And then I went back to business school. And when I had my practice, I had actually hired some consultants to come in and help me. And what I found was great information, but the implementation was really tough. And in fact, not able to do it as well as I wished we could have. And so when I went back to business school and came out, my real focus was, I want to really help the small business owner and not only help them with the theory and the understanding, but really mentor them in a way that they actually can implement the information, they can be trained and understand how to keep it going. And so that's kind of where I'm at.
That makes sense. You mentioned a word that I really like, implement. So a lot of people have these great ideas, but if you can't implement them, you're pretty much dead in the water. What can people expect to take away from this event that they can actually go and implement right away?
Well, as far as what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk about the importance of really discovering your purpose initially. What I've found is authenticity is key. And that's authenticity in the way that you communicate. It's also authenticity particularly in the way that you market. And what I have found is when someone authentically markets and really represents who they are, their business just booms because suddenly people really get who they are. They love the brand and that type of thing. So I'm going to talk about branding, that you really are the brand. You have your own brand destiny. So we're going to talk about that a bit and how do you develop that, as well as talk about 7 very specific steps to a marketing plan. And so ideally, by the time they're finished, they will have a marketing plan written out, basically.
I love it. And that's such a hot topic right now as well, especially with, Seth Godin's book, Tribes. There's this big, buzz around authenticity. So I think that will be a really good thing for people to learn at the event. Every business event says, hey, we're the best. We're the one that's going to change your business. How do you think this one is different, and why should people spend the money?
Well, I think first of all, let me share a story with you. When I had my dental practice, I went back to Bethesda, Maryland, and studied with the lady who actually developed trigger point myotherapy, Janet Travell. And I remember, and there was only 5 of us that could go at a certain time to be with her, and it cost thousands of dollars to go back just for a weekend. And I remember some of the people really. It was interesting. They were complaining, and they say, "Oh, we're not getting much out of this." And I'm looking at them, and I'm going, you know what? I'm getting at least 2 to 3 pearls out of this program each time I come back. And then when I go back to my patients, it suddenly allows me to do things for them and help them to get better in a way that otherwise I could never do it. So as I see people coming to this event, we've got some amazing speakers that are going to be there. And each one of them has a very specific area that they are so good at. And so I believe that with each one of them, people will be able to walk away with at least 1 to 2 pearls that is going to mean thousands of dollars in their overall profitability and in their business. And that's what I think is going to make this so unique. That's our purpose.
I absolutely agree. So you'll leave with at least 8 golden nuggets that you can start implementing in your business right away. Join us on January 26th for the Business Game Changer Success Without Limits event. Thank you so much, Dr. Doug.
Thank you.